The car has how many miles? Alright people, back to my bucket rust bucket. Alright, things are getting serious now because now I started going to the junkyard to grab some parts that I need. I got here's the thing now I'm working on. I don't know, but I assumes it was could be anywhere 218, 200 to 200 and the I don't know 58, 68, 98. So I can tell how many miles on there, but I can see the only this number, which is like a 3 and a 2 in front, so I don't know the number in the middle, of which I don't mind because the only case that this bucket runs.
Dad.
So with that being said,
Dad, what are you doing in here?
Fixing it.
The car?
Yeah, I am going to replace the
Fix the car?
dashboard. I'm trying to see if the new one I got from the junkyard, if got anything above 220, 250, I'll keep it on there. If it got 100,000 plus, I will replace it because I try and desolder this LCD and put the new LCD in it so I can keep the same memory.
Dad,
Yeah.
look what they did.
So let's get started taking this thing apart.
Dad,
And of course, taking on my dashboard, I have a plastic tool that I will use to plow through here.
This diamond away.
I already took the screw that was down here,
I don't want to come in here.
so I don't see any other one. Anyway, at least. So let's drop the steering and start plowing. Okay, the bezel is off, but look at this thing. No, the smoke.
Dad, say hi.
God damn.
Dad, say hi. Dad.
I wonder how their lungs look like.
Dad.
Hi, babe. Hi.
Dad. That smells funny for us.
Damn.
Did it open like?
Them kids also fixing the car, see?
Huh? Wait.
Alright.
Ooh.
Let's take this off and vacuum this and move on. So after the 3 screws came off, you just have to pull it out. Oh, that's my daughter playing with that. And then you only got these 2 plugs. You gotta take off that one, the green one, and this one. Yeah, there you go. Away with a broken LCD. You see that dot, red dash, black dot in there? That don't make me see the numbers.
Dad.
So this is out. Alright, the junkyard dash is in there. See, it doesn't have a dot in there like the other one. Let's see if it's alive, because now so might be broken. Oh, that one is alive, and we got a problem. That one got 141,000 miles, 750 something. So we're not gonna do that. We're gonna try and move the LCD, because I guess that's one way of cheating, that your car got less miles. But I'm not gonna do that. I already know that my car is over 200,000 miles, so I need to move the LCD. Son, hold on. Or move the memory from this dash, the memory for this to the other one. So let's see how it's gonna go. All right, now that we are back here, this is from Junkyard, right there, LKQ. You grab it. These have coils in the back, and I need to take them off. So this one feels like it has an end. If I take it all the way to the end, I'll be fine. So this one, but this one have a stopper. Let me jump. This one have a stopper. So these are the ones I'm worried more, because I don't know where they're gonna be, but I'm gonna take them off anyway, and then I will try to turn around this thing, see how it's gonna work. If it doesn't work, then I'll put it on the car so that I can magnetize the coil in the back. After I magnetize, then I can put them back, see where they're gonna be. I'm not worried about these two. I'm worried about this and that. Okay, let's take. I grabbed me a I don't know what this is. The T15. T15 works just fine. So these are T15s. Okay. The other screws are out. That fell off after I took off all the screws because they hold into here, here, here. You get the point. So this comes off, and that's how it looks on the other side. There's your Honda CR V on the other side. So, and then the board comes out just like that. So back in the days when I was trying to be smart, when I was in college, I bought this thing. I think I only used it once. As you can see, there's not much of usage to it. So it's been sitting like for, I don't know, I got out of college in 2010. So this is 9 years later. It's only been used a handful of time. So you gotta do is heat it up. You gotta suction, and then you squeeze, let it go. It sucks out all the desoldering. So what I gotta do is put it on here. Melt it, sucks it out. So I gotta do all those. But my kids are here with me, so right there I can't do much work holding the camera, holding the desoldering gun, and take care of them. So I'll put the camera. Alright, my daughter was in a discomfort, so I had to go help her. So let's get back to this. All right. And that's how you desolder the board, especially these old ones. So the desoldering is done. I mean, the rest is pull the LCD out. Okay, if your soldering iron looks like this, A, it's time to upgrade. B, it means you've been working, you've been doing your job. So I've had this soldering for a while too, so it's done a lot of job, especially soldering a lot of car radios, because when I'm hardwiring a car radio in there, I don't clip them, I just solder them. Anyhow, now that is out, the other one is back in. Time to solder it. Wait a little bit until it gets warm. I don't have wax, so this is how I clean my soldering gun. I should probably invest in wax because I do a lot of soldering. So okay, here goes nothing. First, before you solder it, you want to make sure all these clips are in all the way, like they're clipped, nothing is left hanging, because once you solder it, it might not clip anymore. So you want to double check. Yeah, it looks like, you know what, I'm going to put it on the table to make sure it's all the way in. Okay, go away. So who's there? Gotta go open. Alrighty, back to business.
Dad.
What's up? What up, son?
Wait.
Okay, moment of the truth now. Something is on. There you go. I got 290,000 miles. Sweet. Now, time to go put it back together. Assembly complete. I really appreciate for taking your time to watch this TV. TV. Well, to watch my channel anyway, so please consider subscribing, like, share, dislike, whatever you feel like. And I can take a few critics. Don't feel free to send me some critics. Tell me what I can improve better. I like learning from people and improving. So thanks for hanging out with me on this fix. So I'll update you and I'll start working on the floor. For now, stay creative and stay busy. Peace out.